Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to low carb keto recipes and having fun. Snickers. So today I'm very excited to show you my piece of art, which is I'm going to make you a zigzaggy zebra cake. It's quite a simple process. It takes two main steps, and we'll be able to get through this together if you follow my recipe video closely. It's a very interesting looking cake, and I'm sure, and it tastes amazing. I've made this one before, so I know. And Snickers, come up. Here, one more piece. Here, up. Here, up. Okay, sorry. So watch my piece of artwork, and I'm really excited to show you this recipe. And of course it's low carb and keto friendly, and it looks pretty too. So as always, let's get cooking.
To begin with, we are going to first make the chocolate mixture. So in goes 30 to 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, we have half a cup of cream. I've put a little less than half a cup, but take it up to half a cup because I'll be putting that little later. 3 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice. I've used xylitol. And the last thing for the chocolate mixture is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now give this all a good mix. As you can see, it's a bit dry, and that's why I added a bit more cream later. So don't worry, you can add another, maybe quarter cup of cream, it's fine. Now for our main white part cake mixture, that's 3/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, half a cup of a sweetener of your choice. I used xylitol. That is 50 grams or 2 ounces of melted coconut oil, and then we put in 3 large eggs. Sorry for my hands. So while I'm breaking the eggs, I can tell you that the coconut oil has got to be melted, and it was 50 grams or 2 ounces of melted coconut oil. So 3 large eggs, and oh gosh, and now we put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So 1 teaspoon went in the chocolate mixture and 1 teaspoon in the white part of the zebra cake mixture. So this, now I'm using a hand mixer and giving this a good mix. You'll see that it comes to a nice cake batter kind of mixture. Now the important part is how we are going to put these two together to create that zebra effect. So that's one mixture and that's the other. So keep your 2 bowls ready with the 2 colors ready. Now from the cake mixture, the white cake mixture, you add 2 to 3 tablespoons into your brown mixture, into the chocolate mixture. as you put that in, you will make the chocolate mixture also very cake battery, and that's what it looks like. If yours is a bit dry, please do add a little bit more of cream. And this is the other mixture, and that's what it looks like. Now we are going to come to the exciting part, and that is how to create it into this zebra effect. Now I've taken a dish, a square dish, which is oven safe, and I'm putting some butter paper into it. Do put this, I mean, you could also spray your dish and do it directly, but somehow I always feel it's safer to put butter paper, because then you can pull out the whole thing together once it's out of the oven. Now here goes. Take a spoonful of the white mixture and drop it in the center. As you can see, it will start forming a little circle. Take your chocolate mixture and drop it into the center of your white mixture. Are you getting this pattern? This is how you will be carrying on for the whole mixture. Once white, once brown, once white, once brown, and just drop it in the center. You will see that it will start spreading on its own. Now the brown, and it's up to you if you want to fast forward this part of the video, because I'm doing it step by step for you. Can you see? Little concentric circles are forming, and that is what we want to achieve. And then again the white. Always keep it in the center such that it doesn't go over the other, the darker color. See that how I do that? Put the brown inside the white. And don't worry, the cake on its own, due to the pressure, is starting to spread out at the base. In goes the white. And again the brown. You'll be carrying on doing this till both your mixtures are over. Just drop it in the center, give it a little push. Don't shake your dish at all. Now can you see? This is my last bit that I'm putting of my white mixture. Don't shake the dish at all. It will settle on its own. You don't have to bang the dish down, or you know how one does with other cakes, and level it out. It's going to be a little higher in the center and a little lower at the sides, but it will all turn out beautifully in the oven. And I think this should be about the last of my the colors. Can you see the concentric circles forming? They're absolutely beautiful. I enjoyed doing this a lot, by the way. It's really like creating a piece of art, and the canvas is your thing, is your dish. So now this will go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade, and for about 25 to 30 minutes according to your oven. And here we have it. It's out of the oven after 30 minutes in mind, and just look at that. It's piping hot right now, so I can't even touch the dish. So I'm going to be trying some acrobatics right now, but just look at it. I'm dying to cut it and show it to you right now. And Do wait for my taste test at the end of this video and to see the stunning design that gets created on the inside. The circles show on top. I don't think I'm doing a very good thing by cutting it while it's hot, but I'm still going to do it because I need to show you this up close and personal near the camera. And I think it might break a bit because it's piping hot, and we all know we need to let cakes cool a bit before anything happens. And they, oopsie daisy, there we go. I knew I'd do that, and it's too hot to handle, but I'm going to try to manage. And so look at that. Can you see that? My zigzaggy, lovely zebra cake. So easy to make, and so beautiful. Nobody will be able to figure out how you got the zebra look. I mean, I'm showing you the the rest of the cake. Look at the layers that form inside. It's absolutely stunning. Again, another close-up look. Oh, I love my artwork. So beautiful. That's what a cake should look like. And it's smelling absolutely divine right now. The whole area is smelling of this fresh baked cake. I don't know why we were eating all that carby, dirty carb kind of cakes. Look how beautifully it turns out.
Okay, so let's do a taste test. So I want to show you this. It has turned out, Snickers, it has turned out so stunning and so beautiful. I want to show you the grains, and I'm going to do a taste test. Here you go. No, that's not you. So here I have it. Let me show you my artwork up close and personal. Just look at that. Look at that. A zigzaggy, swiggy zebra cake. Oh, I love my artwork. And I've got 2 pieces in this bowl. Just look at that. How pretty does that look? And believe you me, it tastes absolutely divine. So here's my taste test. Oh my god. Snickers, look at his little nose sticking up there, and he's not getting any of this. So it's got this, it's a combination of chocolate and vanilla together in one cake. It's absolutely amazing. There's nothing to even think about too much. If you want to make a beautiful looking cake and impress your guests, or just look at this, to make something like this, I promise you, I never thought I'd be capable of making something like this. So do make this recipe. It's actually amazing. And do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell, because then you'll know all about my future videos. So thank you for watching. Bye then. Take care.